Hey everybody, welcome again to Dick in the Kitchen. Today we're going to do an old Italian favorite. In fact, it's everybody's favorite, spaghetti and meatballs. So, mamma mia, let's get cooking.
Okay, we're about to make our meatballs. First thing we do is we take an onion and chop it up finely. Add that to 2 eggs and mix that well. Put in 1 pound of pork, about 1.25 pounds of ground beef, a tablespoon of oregano, and a good shake of salt and pepper. Mix that well and whoa, wait a minute. And stand by because we have our secret ingredient, because we're going to be doing something a little different to these meatballs to give them some really good flavor. Okay, here's our secret ingredient. It's to mix in some Reggiano Parmesan, about 1/2 cup. It makes the meatballs so much better. After we mix in the salt, pepper, and oregano, it's time to put in about 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. This will help bind the meatball mixture and make a much nicer meatball. Now it's time to start forming the meatballs. It's going to be a little time consuming, but it's not bad. You take about 1 tablespoon or 1.25 tablespoons of the meat mixture, roll it around in your hand and form a ball. Put it on a sheet pan with some parchment paper underneath, because when we're done, we're going to bake them. While you're making the meatballs, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. When you're done making the meatballs, put the meatballs in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and while they're cooking, we're going to make the spaghetti sauce. Making the sauce is really quite easy. Start off by chopping up a small onion, a shallot, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to grate a carrot, and we're going to sweat those vegetables in a little bit of olive oil. To complete the sauce, we add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 5 sprigs of thyme tied together, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. We're going to bring that to a simmer and let it cook while we're waiting for the meatballs to finish cooking. Once the meatballs are done, we're going to add the meatballs to the sauce. Bring the sauce back up to a slow simmer. Put the cover over the top, leaving a little space, and cook the sauce for 1.5 hours so that it slightly reduces and becomes thicker and more delicious. After an hour and a half, your sauce is thickened and it's ready to use. Now all we got to do is put our pasta in the boiling water for 8 minutes to get it nice and al dente, get it ready, and serve spaghetti and meatballs for dinner. For your pasta, be sure to use a really good quality bronze cut pasta because it'll make a lot of difference. Get your pasta completed, making sure that you don't overcook it. We're going to ladle some of the delicious sauce over the top, the meatballs, and then give it a generous serving of the ultimate king of cheeses, Reggiano Parmesan, and you'll have a fantastic dinner to serve your friends or family. Buon appetito! I sure hope you enjoyed this week's recipe at Dick in the Kitchen. And remember, we make cooking easy. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss our next video next Wednesday at 2 p.m. Thanks for coming.